we'll do a mini episode. I'm going to do that front mudguard now, because everything else is going to be spurred up into one, so we'll take the old one off, put the new one on. Let's go. So we'll get the plastics have all come off. I've cleaned up the tank and removed all the stickers and the glue and all sorts of the little tar bits that have stayed on. And while that's all off, I've chopped off the back pegs. So you'll see all that as it comes out. But for now, I'll do a nice little simple episode. We've got the kickstand. I went to pick it up from Cody, who said he also might have a sump guard, and Legend did have a Supermoto front mudguard. So don't have to chop anything on there. There's a peg missing on here, but it's bolted on with 4 bolts, so it should go on nice and easy. So we'll do that now.